Hi everybody, Captain Steve here. I'm about ready to replace the Traveler line on our Panoceanic 46 from this old, kind of worn out braided line to a brand new Steadiest X yacht braid, 5/16. So I've taken off the old line and I made a diagram here as to how the line runs 6-to-1 purchase here over from one end here to through the 3 blocks and back through this end and then cleated. So because I don't want them to get crossed up, I've noticed how the old line is run through the 6-to-1 purchase, and I'm going to thread the new line the exact same way. So I've taken the old line off. I'm going to start by tying a bowline here, fairly short bowline, in the one end of the line, which is called the dead man here. We're going to dead man the line, the bowline, and then I'm going to start to run the line through the 6-to-1 purchase for the Traveler car and end up over here coming through the cleat, and we'll end up with a beautiful new Steadiest X bright red line, making our Traveler very happy.